Halo, guwapo. Hey guys, it's Katrina of Own Your Family, where you can find the best community about family, health and wellness, and lifestyle. In today's episode, I will be sharing with you some effective, easy money saving travel tips. So, for those of you guys who love to travel with their family and loved ones, this episode is made for you. So, you know what? I agree, guys, travel is expensive, but there are so many ways to cut costs. So don't worry, sit back and relax, and we're gonna be digging deep into different ways on how you can save money. So whether it's, high gas prices during your road trip or increasing travel demand causing hotel and airline costs to rise, it doesn't have to be as costly as you might think if you know these tips on saving money on travel. So let's start with number one, pack light. Guys, pack light. It's undoubtedly beneficial for avoiding checked bag fees, but there are a few other incentives to do so because you know what? For starters, packing light means you can get around a lot easier. When you have light suitcase or backpack, you're more agile, so it's easy to navigate public transit rather than feel like you need to pay for a taxi. So that's just my take about packing light, but it's really up to you. It's your decision whether you pack it light or no. But the next one, at number two, shop at local grocery stores. When you visit local markets, it's adventurous. It's something that's fun, and you'll find different types of foods that you'd necessarily come across at home. Plus, having food on hand means you're likely to save money, as you will be less tempted to buy some overpriced ice cream or muffin from the hotel. So, just get some of your stuff at the local grocery stores. It's gonna do great in your budget. And the next one, number three, pack snacks for those who have kids. If you can't visit a local market, packing snacks from home is the next big thing. Look for protein heavy items like not really jerky. Sometimes I do buy them, but those bars, protein bars, which can make you feel full and it does not take up too much space in your luggage. So also don't forget bottled water. It's important to have them in your bags as well. So you can consider them because it can really save a lot of money as well if you have those stuff. Next one is arrive early in the airport. If you have to take your flight or an airplane, leave plenty of time to get to the airport early. Because if you're running late, you might hail an overpriced cab in a panic instead of taking public transportation like train. So don't ever come late, guys, when you have to take or go to the airport. Okay, next one. This is my most favorite thing here. Book hotel rooms on points. Speaking of bonus points, which I really, really love, it's almost always a good idea to spend your hotel points rather than save them. So when I book hotel rooms, for example, or flights, I just choose, one company to that. So I make sure I get points so that when I have accumulated those points, I can use it on my next holiday. So take advantage of these guys. Really. Plus, the chances of you getting upgraded to a better room and some perks like free parking or checkout late is really high because they see that you are a valued customer because you're using the system. And I normally love to book. Here's the thing, I normally like to book on the hotel website itself because I get big discounts, I get points, and there I get a lot of stuffs like, upgrades and those freebies. So that's just my personal take. It's up to you still where you're comfortable, where you feel like, or where you get the most of the company or the system. And the last thing, which is also helpful, is travel during the off season. When you travel during the off season, that's not only a way to avoid crowds and headaches, but usually you get a better deal. You get cheaper prices. So that's just my ways on how you can save money on traveling with family. And I hope this information help you travel with your loved ones. If you have any suggestions, feel free to put them on the link below or on the comment box and let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and listening. Till next episode. Bye.
Hi. There, the clock.